Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how to apply personal nails, some tips and trips to make them last longer. So here I've got 4 sets from Vanity Bae. So if you don't know, Vanity Bae is a US based company and they basically sell personal nails. And I did get some of them. So they sent me these 4 sets, and the name of this first set is Take What You Want, and its price is $11. Basically all the sets cost $11, and I'm based in UK, so the shipping is pretty fast. So the box does come with 24 days, and you get the instruction on the back, the content, and also the 24 nails that are inside the box. So the content, you get an alcohol pad to wipe off your nail. So I'm just going to share with you later on how to apply nails using the glue and also using just the sticky tabs, so that you know what's the difference between them and how you can use them. So you get file 24 sticky tabs, so 24 something similar. So basically you can use them twice. So then you get the alcohol pad, you get the wooden stick or the orange stick, which can be used to push your cuticle backs and then apply the nails so that it seems like they are natural. And then you get glue, and which I got like pretty decent quantity, so you don't need to worry about it. So I would recommend you to have an extra glue, so just in case you want to go for like third or second or third time again. So the quality of them is pretty good. You can see the design is really clean, and also one good quality of personal nails is that they need to be soft from the cuticle area, and then they need to be hard from the tip. So these are really good. So the quality is pretty good. You get 24 nails, so you get 12 nails from 0 to 11 if I'm not wrong, and then you get twice of them. So if in case you go like me, nail set that go you do need some sizes that are same, you actually gonna slightly be in trouble, because you only get like 2 sizes of same numbers, so it's gonna be harder for you if you need more than 2. So I will be applying this pink set, which name is Highgarden Rose, and the price is again $11. And these are long ballerina gradient pink nails. The quality is really good. Also if you take a look closer from the nail, it doesn't seem like they've been done with the computer. The fade is very good, and also the quality, I don't know what they used for it, if they use gel polish or something else, but it's really good. And again, you do get a nail wipe, you do get some sticky tabs, you get the nail file, and again the cuticle pusher. So what you need to do for best coverage or for long lasting nail is to make sure that you have the perfect size. Make sure that the nail that you're choosing is not bigger than your actual nail size, because if it is, then it's gonna be high risk that your nail not gonna last longer, and they're gonna pop off easily, as they're gonna be the edge that not gonna stick to the nail tab. So I'm just gonna follow the instruction on the back. It says the first thing is to wipe your nail off. So you need to do this because if you got like oil on your nails, the nail tab not gonna stick for longer, so it's gonna be harder for you to keep your nails for a long time. And also make sure that if you're using the sticky tabs, do not put your nail in water like for an hour or two, so that they stick together for long. And also you need to remember that it's sticky tab, it's no glue, so obviously do not expect to have a long duration with the sticky tabs, because it's going to be hard for you. So one trick that I use is basically to file off your nails slightly, and then also file the bed of the fake nail or the press-on nail, so that you do create a little bit of traction that's gonna be gonna keep your nails sticky to your actual nail. So in this way, if there is a shiny layer, then it's very hard to make sure that your nails does stay there. So you obviously need to remove the shine so you can make them last longer. So make sure the tab you choose is of the size of your nail, because you obviously don't want to have like sticky thing coming out of your nail and then everything gonna stick on it. That's gonna be really bad. So put your cuticle first, then press it down firmly, like press it so that it sticks properly. And one good thing with the sticky tabs is that you can easily remove them. So if you only need your nails like for an hour or two, you can easily get back home, use the cuticle pusher, and then remove them. I will show you later on how to remove them easily. And you can see I'm just repeating the same process on all the nails. It's really, really quick. You're not going to even take you 10 minutes to press on nails on. So if you don't have time to get your nails done, you don't have time to book appointments at the nail salon, or you think they are really expensive because some of the nails are really expensive, you can actually go for these press on nails and you can get like a perfect manicure at home. So I have applied all of them. So this is how they look, and you can see they look pretty good. If you see little bubbles, try to remove them by pressing them down more firmly, and also they're gonna disappear for some time. So you can see the sticky tab is a very strong. Like I'm applying the pressure, they are not coming off easily. So if you're going for an event, or you know that you're not gonna do any kind of hard work, or you're not gonna do much hand work, you can definitely go for sticky tabs, because they're gonna do the work. You can actually go for them without the use of the glue. So here I'm just using the wooden stick, or the orange stick you can say, and I'm using the pointing edge to remove the nail from the sticky tabs. So this is how easy it is to remove them. Like you're just gonna pop in to put them on and then pop off to remove them. So and you can see the nail is not damaged, like the press on nail is not damaged, so you definitely can go for the second time or for the third time. So for this set I will be applying using the glue, but I noticed that this one doesn't come with the glue. So I don't know if it was a problem with the press on set, or it's just that this set, which name is now in Portfolio, and it's again $11. And I don't know if it's just this one that doesn't come with the glue, but I will be using the glue that came with the pink set to use with this one. And these are kind of transparent nails, so you're gonna get obviously you're gonna see your nail bed when you're gonna apply them. So I'm just gonna go for measuring my nail, get the right side. So if you're thinking about why my nails are shiny, it's basically I applied the peel off paste coat, so it's gonna be easier for me to remove them. But even if I applied the peel off paste coat, it did last really long. Like by the time I'm doing this editing or recording the video, they did last pretty long. And another thing that I would recommend to improve would be that the glue was really hard. Like I was not able to create an opening. Like you definitely need some kind of a needle to open it, to create a slight hole to get the glue out. And a tip for this one is definitely to apply more glue on your nail curve. So if you go really some people do not have a high curve, so some people do have that, so it's gonna be harder for them to stick the nail on the nail. So you definitely need to apply more glue on your curve, so that you get a full coverage, and make sure, and this also makes sure that your nails do last longer. So a mistake that I made is that I did put slightly more glue and go over the nails, so please don't do that. And thankfully I was using my glove, otherwise my finger would be sticking on it. So I'm just going to repeat the same process on all the nails, and you can see these are really pretty. And again, the glue is pretty strong, there is not gonna come off easily. Like if you do not apply any peel off base coat or anything else, then these gonna last for weeks. Like even if you're doing normal work, or you do using your hands a lot, they're still gonna last like 5+ days. I had experience with them, I did use them, and they did last for pretty long, and I just love the design of this one. So this is it for this video. I hope you liked it, and if you want to buy this set, I will link all the details in the description box, and you can use my coupon code nail@corner for 20% off, and all the details will be in the description box with the links and everything. And I will see you soon. Bye.